Hello. Hi, this is Gwen. I'm in Geneva, Illinois at the Concours de Elegance, some of the finest cars that Illinois has to offer. Our next car is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. It has just finished restoration completely yesterday. First time it's ever been seen is today. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the next video. Good morning. I'm here with Ron, and we're going to talk about his 1957 Ford Thunderbird. It's a very unique and very special and rare car.
Okay, it's a supercharged, one of 210 made, and it is an authentic car. All the serial numbers line up, and because a lot of guys phony them up over the years. So this is a real authentic one.
Everything matches. So
yes.
You're talking
serial
body,
numbers,
engine,
body, color,
everything.
paint, everything.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Very rare, very
Yes.
hard to find.
Right.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the car? When did you get it?
Had it about 10 years now, and it was obtained through a auction in Atlanta, Georgia. And of all places you'd expect to see a car like this is a furniture and antique furniture dealer had the car, and he took it in on trade for furniture. Then he sold. So the guy that used this as collateral.
Wow.
So it was very rare to buy a car that way.
Now, with the car, how much work did you have to do to it?
This is a complete body off restoration. The body was removed from the frame.
Okay.
And the undercarriage of the car is the same as what you see on the outside here as far as fit and finish is concerned.
Okay, and the engine, how much did you do to?
We did rebuild it.
Okay.
It was in pretty decent shape, but it needed a little freshening, so it got the freshening that it needed.
Okay.
Okay, it's a McCullough supercharger. Ford designed and had it made by McCullough, and it's unique compared to the Studebaker ones. Totally different design.
How much horsepower does this car have?
It's a 300 horse.
300? That's
A lot in 57.
right. That is actually a lot. So the interior, did you have to do anything with that?
Yes, the interior is a complete reproduction, and it's done in the authentic color that it came with from the factory.
Do you mind if I sit in your car?
Go ahead.
Oh, thank you very much. It's a tight squeeze in here.
Yes, it is.
Big steering wheel.
You have to learn to get in it.
Right. The steering wheel's actually,
Right.
tight to the legs.
Yeah.
A lot different than today's vehicles.
Yes.
Low headroom. I mean, I'm not a tall person, so I can only imagine if you were a tall
I'll show you how
individual.
to get in it when you get
That would be great, because being 5'2",
Yeah,
this is...
Put your legs out first.
Okay, legs out.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. Head down.
Trick. So how does a tall person get in? Same routine.
Wow. It's a tight squeeze in there.
Yes, it is. It's a snug car.
Ron, how's the car to drive?
Oh, it drives good,
For a stiff suspension, soft suspension?
No, it's a moderate suspension, I would call it. It's stiffer than most stock cars, but it is a comfortable riding car. The same wheelbase is on a Corvette, so these cars are a little bit choppy on the road compared to, a big sedan or something, but the short wheelbase makes a difference. Okay, one of the options on this car that's very unusual is the pack that's on the column, and that is a genuine Ford accessory. It gives you the status on the supercharger, what it's doing. So it's a rarity to see that, and you're looking at it.
And you can open up the side louvers or vents. It's a manual, so that let air in.
That leaves air in. It's the only source of compartment air.
That's your air conditioning
That's
right there.
Air conditioning 57 style.
1957.
Yeah.
Air conditioning. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm sure that you've taken to other shows.
No, this is
No?
the first show. It was just finished yesterday.
Well, we got a privilege to see this.
Yeah.
This is
Just
amazing.
finished.
And so, do you plan to take a trophy today?
Yes.
Yes? First
Yes.
place? Awesome.
Yes.
I hope we see that.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll film it and add it to it.
Okay.
We'll catch you guys later. Thank
All right.
you. Enjoy the next video.
Okay.
We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.